Hierarchy of controls. Safety explained with example. Today we will learn about the hierarchy of controls. It is a simple and effective system used to control workplace hazard and prevent accident. Workplace accident often happen because hazards are not controlled in the right way. The hierarchy of control helps us reduce risk step by step, starting from the most effective control to the less effective control. The hierarchy of control has 5 levels. These levels are elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, and personal protective equipment. It is also called the PPEs. We should always start from the top and move down only if needed. The first and best control is elimination. Elimination means removing the hazard completely from workplace. If the hazard is removed, the risk is also removed. For example, stopping work at height remove the risk of falling. If a person is painting a wall and they use the ladder, so if it is possible, then a person use a faint ruler, so the hazard will completely remove because there will be no work at height. If no work at height, then the hazard will completely isolate. The second control is substitution. Substitution means replace a dangerous material or process with a safe one. This reduces the risk but does not remove it fully. For example, using water-based paint instead of chemical-based paint. The third level is engineering control. Engineering control isolates people from the hazard. These controls do not depend on the worker behavior. Examples include machine guards safe behaviors and ventilation system. If you see the first person is operating the machine but there is no safeguard, and the second person is using the machine but with a safeguard, so it is the third control level. The fourth level is administrative control. Administrative control reduce risk through rules, procedures, and training. These control depend on the people following instruction. Example include work permit, safety signs, job rotation, and toolbox stock. The last level is personal protective equipment or PPEs. PPE is the last line of defense. It protects the worker, but the hazard is still present. Examples include helmets, gloves, safety shoes, and masks, etc. A common mistake in workplace is using only PPE. This is not enough. Hazard should always be controlled at the source using the higher level control. For example, the first, then second, then third. If needed, then the fourth and fifth. Always remember to follow the hierarchy of control.